Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So today's a pretty cool one. Haven't done one of these in a while actually. It is Fidgets from a friend. So this is from Gavin from Dynamic Inertia. He actually just sent this to me now that I checked the tracking like 15 days ago, around there. Yeah. So basically he accidentally sent it to somebody else, and then I was out of town, and then that person finally sent it to me, and yeah, now it's finally here. But yeah, let's get into it. I'm not gonna do this like the other videos where if there's multiple things in one package, I'm gonna do separate videos. I'm just gonna do one long video for this and then just post it today. But yeah, all right, let's get into it. Let me get some water first. And yeah, don't forget to check out Gavin's channel. It's Dynamic Inertia. So yeah. All right, that was better. Now let's get into it. And also don't forget to check out the channel sponsors down below as well. You can use my code daily dose of Fidgets to get 10% off your entire order. And yeah, I will leave all the links down below. All right, finally. Honestly, I forget what even is in here. Yeah. All right, that's bubble wrap. All right. I'm already laughing. Thank you, Gavin, for these stickers. I am definitely gonna put them to use. All right, nice little pouch. What we got in here? I may steal this from you, Gavin. Turn the light on. All right, let's see. I forgot what was in here. Oh, okay. There we go. The torque bar. Oh, nice slip too. Damn. Give me 1 second. All right, I'm back. So I just quickly got my Cinema Thing V2, Cinema Thing OG buttons, the stock buttons, and then the Cinema Thing tungsten buttons from Full Throttle. Okay, that's to try on this thing, the torque bar. So yeah, but I'm gonna check out this last, this second, and then this first. So this is the stainless steel Valkyrie that Gavin got, then stone washed. Oh, okay. Feels really nice in the hand. Okay. That's actually a good one. It's so comfortable to hold. The buttons are amazing. All right. Maybe I'll have to like somehow steal this from him. I don't know. Damn, this is actually really good. All right, what the hell is my scale? I think I put it away. 1 sec. It is 54.27. It's a great weight. Whoops. All right. $54.3. 18.8. 18.8. Oh, wait, what? No, hold on. Oh, 8.8. I'm stupid. And the button diameter 18.7. Yeah. Curious to see what kind of bearing is in here. Oh, it is a retention bearing, and it looks like it's a brass bearing. Interesting. Very interesting. Never tried this kind of bearing before. It's a first. And it sounds good. Very smooth as well. Damn, this is really good. Okay, so another thing I'm gonna test is the lift test. This side seems to be heavier, but again, some people say that the lift test doesn't really work, so I'm gonna do the no wobble, and then also I want to do the toss test. Basically, if it wobbles in the air, it's not like, I mean, it doesn't, so it's like really good. It's very rare in bar spinners, but yeah. 1 sec. All right, now that's good. Definitely recommend that thing. So comfortable. Now let's try the torque bar. All right. Some copper buttons that Gavin made as well. And yeah, this is the standard torque bar, I believe. Some very comfortable buttons, I'll say that. But yeah, copper, so ew. I think this is a Fushi bearing that Gavin put in here. I think that's what they're called. So yeah, if you guys notice, it is the same kind of like, what's it called? 1 sec. It's the same as the thinner, where the body is thinner than the bearing place. So first I want to try these stainless steel buttons. That looks good too. That is nice. So with these, or actually I'll do it later. I'll just the separate ones, but this is great so far. Let me get the length, 56.9, 25.2, 9.6. Because I don't have the original torque bar buttons, so I'm not going to measure them. Yeah, that's nice. Nice little stamp as well. Some scars as well too. There, this is nice. Let me try the tungsten buttons. I'm gonna try these buttons last. These are full throttle buttons. This is also a great feeling. Yeah, that's good. On to the next set. Damn. This thing came out. Let me just quickly put it back in. There we go. Now, Gavin has told me before that he wants to buy the buttons back if I want to sell them. He said that he missed them because they're comfortable buttons on the torque, and indeed they are. But they are good buttons. We made a trade for the buttons a while back for a Zerk Top C. Nice. But I am interested. I'm gonna try these buttons on the copper. The stainless steel cinema thing. This is actually also Gavin's thinner that he got and then sold to me. So yeah. Oh. These buttons in tungsten would not be bad. I'll say that for sure. So comfortable. Damn. That does feel great. Oh my god. I gotta have him make me some damn Zerk or maybe even tungsten buttons. These are good. He's actually doing an auction right now for a set of buttons that are just amazing. If if you haven't seen in this group, I'm currently bidding. I'm at 500 already. So yeah. All right, I'm gonna put, actually, put this back here. This is where I usually keep the buttons on. All right, I'm gonna put that to the side now. Put these buttons away. Surprised he hasn't stonewashed this thing yet. This is actually really nice. It's a good daily spinner. But this thing in tungsten would be something else. It will be great in tungsten. And now, let's get to the final one. And it is the stainless steel XL from Post Blades. A little nick right there. Scratches here and there. Other than that, it's in pretty good shape. Oh, damn. It's actually pretty good. I am not gonna lie. I see what he means. It's a very, very stable spinner. What bearing does he have in here? I'm curious. Okay, thought so. Thought it was similar. This is a nice bearing. Actually, I forgot to do something. Put that here. $75 with the copper buttons. 74.95 with the stainless steel buttons. Same thing basically. And 96 with tungsten buttons. Second heaviest, third heaviest, the heaviest, of course. And then while we're here, let's do this. 77. They're all pretty much the same weight. I've noticed. Not with this one's like 50, but yeah. This is super smooth. I kind of want this. I'm not gonna lie. One sec, guys. What the hell? Can't find it right now. My entire drawer is a mess. But this thing is amazing. I'm gonna talk to Gavin about this. It's a very, like, nice, smooth spinner. Yeah, this is nice. But yeah, I think I actually really like this. I'm gonna talk to him about this one. This is also good. Stainless steel is just great material for spinners, you know? Like, if it wasn't for tungsten, I would only have like stainless steel and like some zirconium spinners. But like, also this, come on. It just moves. You guys are curious. And this is 200 grams. It's like all of these combined. But this is interesting. Alright, well, I guess I'm gonna wrap it up here. Again, check out Gavin's YouTube down below. He's close to 1,000 subscribers, so if you guys haven't subscribed to him, subscribe. I'm gonna leave his link down below. He's almost at 1K. Get him there. And alright, that's all. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Alright, see ya.